Welcome back friends, my name is Kapil and today we are going to talk about how you can hide and unhide sheets. But if you already know this trick, don't worry, I'm going to share one bonus trick with you. Let's get started. So here on my screen if you see that I have these different tabs and I want to hide some of the tabs. Let's hide first 3 tabs. Either you can hide one tab by right clicking on the tab itself and you will be seeing this hide button. Okay, you need to click on this hide button and your sheet will get hidden. But suppose if you want to hide multiple sheets, how you can do that? You should press Ctrl key and then keep selecting your sheets. Okay, then you click on that. Here you will be seeing hide unhide. Okay, so here I'll be clicking on this hide and those sheet will get hidden. If you want to unhide those sheets, you need to right click on that again and you need to click on this unhide. Once you do that, you will be seeing all these sheets again. Either you can unhide one sheet at a time or you want to unhide multiple sheets. In that case, what you need to do, either press Shift or Control. So what does it mean? If you press Shift, select the first sheet, select the last sheet, it will be selecting all the sheets. Okay, so if I select first sheet and I press Shift key and select this, it will be selecting all these 3. Okay, but suppose if you want to unhide only these sheets randomly, like sales SAM and sales total, so you will be pressing Control and selecting these sheets. Okay, then click OK. Then your sheets will get unhidden. But if you are using Office 365, then only you will be able to select these multiple sheets at a time to unhide. Okay, if you are using any previous version, you will not be able to unhide all the sheets at a time. You need to do it manually one by one for all the sheets. Now let's understand how you can disable this unhide option for all the sheets which you hide. Okay, how you can do that? You need to press Alt F11 or you can right click on the tab, go to this view code. Okay, once you click on that, you'll be seeing these 2 windows. If you don't see these windows, just go to view and here you will be seeing Project Explorer, which means this top window where you are seeing these sheet names. Okay, then you need to click on view again and go to properties window. At the bottom you are seeing properties window, so that is how you will be getting it. Now let's understand how you can disable the option. So see, it will work only for a particular sheet which you put into a particular mode. So what do I mean? Let me click on this sheet 1 expense total. Okay, here in the properties section, in the visible part, you need to select Excel sheet very hidden. Okay, once you do that, then your user will not be able to unhide that particular sheet. Let me select another sheet. Let me click on this Excel sheet very hidden. Let me do it for another sheet. Let me click on Excel sheet very hidden. And when I go back to this tab and I click on this, and here you can see unhide button has been disabled. So that is how you can disable unhide option. But suppose if you hide this sheet, okay, so here if I click on unhide, I can see this button, but when I click on this, I'll not be able to see those sheets which I put on the very hidden mode. Let me cancel this and let me go back to this code. Okay, but suppose if somebody knows this trick, in that case, what do you need to do? You need to protect this VBA project. So what do you need to do? You need to right click on this VBA project code, click on it, click on this VBA project properties, and once you do that, you will be seeing this protection tab. Click here, lock project for viewing. Here you just put the password, click OK, and this project code will get protected. So nobody is going to unhide the sheets until they know the password. So hope you like this trick. Thanks for watching this. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.